Can ChatGPT replace lawyers? That's the big concern in the legal industry right now. And just last week, it was reported that ChatGPT aced the bar exam. It was the uniform bar exam, which I've been practicing long enough that it was before the uniform, the UBE. Um, but it's essentially a test that pretty much every state requires lawyers to take, and they have to get above a certain score on that. Different states have different rules on what part is passing uh, for that. Now, can ChatGPT replace a lawyer? That's the big question. And at this point, I've been playing with it. It helps lawyers. Of course, as lawyers, we know the law, so it does spit out some incorrect answers, but it is very helpful if you know how to use it. So I went ahead and asked ChatGPT for how it can help me, or how it can help assist a small business to identify and avoid legal issues. And research, that's one of the key parts that I've used it for, is researching issues, but it does sometimes give you an incorrect analysis or answer. Um, you can put in a list of facts and ask it to identify potential legal issues, which is very helpful. You can ask it to review documents, and this is key. It can help highlight what are some potential issues. I mean, as lawyers, this is something that we do a lot, is clients send us a document that a vendor sent them, and they want to know what's the main issues. What should they be worried about? What should they negotiate on? Compliance reminders, it says, which, yeah, I guess, at some point it could, ChatGPT isn't using real data or the most up-to-date data yet, but at some point it could be used to give you alerts when something changes in a specific area of the law. Legal terminology, definitions, yes, that's somewhere where ChatGPT is very good. I've used it for definitions or to even explain things. You can ask it to explain a legal definition, a legal concept in, a third grade level or a, high school level. So it's more understandable. And then you can put into it a statement of facts, which, we kind of said, identifying issues above, and it can give you a preliminary analysis of that, or risks, considerations involved. So this is only going to get better as time goes on. There's a lot of Case Text, which is one of the softwares that I use for legal research. They've been building out their own AI, and I've played with that a little. It does a good job of using natural language to then find related results. But I can see when that's going to be combined with something like ChatGPT, or when they make that better in the long term, it's going to really be able to take and identify facts, give you the case law that's related to it. And, at first, this is going to be a tool to definitely help lawyers, but at some point, yes, there's certain aspects of a lawyer's job, or even things that lawyers do, that will probably be replaced by AI in the future. So if you like these videos, if you like hearing about AI and legal issues, subscribe to the channel below, and thanks for watching.